When we install the MetaTrader for the first time, we are shown 4 such charts. These are preset and show different indicators or oscillators. Basically, you have to get away from the idea that what is displayed is also what is actually traded. This is because I can display an indicator on my chart that has no function, but only serves to make something visually more visible. That's why we want to change the charts a bit now. The first thing that is displayed up here is this quick trading function. This should lead to people manually opening or closing a position on the chart. For automated trading, we can deactivate this here via this small button. These indicators that are displayed can also be marked, and we can either display the properties here. For example, we could change the number of candles, or we can right-click and delete the indicator. Also right-click on properties. Here we can define whether we want to see bars, candles or lines for the price movements. But we can also do that in the bar at the top. I can determine whether my chart should scroll automatically. This means that I always see the current state here on the right hand side, and I can also move it a little to the left by activating chart shift. This would be very useful, for example, if you wanted to project indicators into the future. Under the second tab, I can show or hide the ticker, which is the text at the top, completely remove the quick trading buttons, and I am also not a fan of having this grid displayed. The trading levels and the trading history are not yet visible here. This would show us where we have already opened and closed positions. That's why I'll leave it as it is, and you can change the colors again using this tab if you like. For now, I'll leave it as it is and click on OK. And so that I don't have to do this every time, I can save it as a template. To do this, I right-click with the mouse, select Templates, Save Template, and there are 2 names that are reserved. One is default. This would now always be displayed when we do live trading. That means in real time, which does not happen at the moment because there are no price changes at the weekend. I can also save the template under the name tester. This is then the template that is always loaded in the strategy tests. And if I want, I can also save further templates here at any time or reload templates. This is quite useful if you want to make visual decisions on the chart. For automated trading, however, this setting is actually okay. I will import my robot trading system here, and a lot of additional information will be displayed. For now, we have defined and saved our template. We can now also load it for the other charts if we wish. I will first deactivate all other currency pairs and save this as the default profile under Profiles. And if I now close and reopen the MetaTrader, my standard view in the standard profile with my standard template should be reloaded as I left it last time, and that worked. We will continue in the next part with the import of an automated trading system.